Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofreme adwoa searching. Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofreme adwoa searching. Ebusianfo 2024 yeto abawie a NDC amayoko no edi nkunim a NPP edi nkuku poto no. NPP fo antiomo ho ase inti yeto abani no. NPP fu bebre na edesombo ebo mo ho ebimo se NPP members no bebre tinefie a omo ankwankoto aba ebimo so se ye his excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ni appointees no behavior bi omo dan na di enti na nam so a eye members na before mo ankwankoto aba no ebimo so se his excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ni ndiye bi oye ene nam so a party no edi nkuku a enya semketo akra empenifo no ekoso eye research eye investigation find it out why intia NPP fu bebre ankwankoto aba ene ensem obode betuja na enye semketo akra na investigation no anase research na edaso ekoso na ende udwani echirem ewo Ashanti region na abranti okase echire so modaso a eye investigation I find it out why intia NPP etumi elusi na etesa na abranti echire so ndomu eni echirem ewo Krofrom echire kumasi Krofrom no mame form wo ho echire so mo anuom hu yi papa na se ende ye kwakoto aba nka omo gi the pass sign ebeba because omo gi the say about every 8 years bia yesesem no enya de a eboa ena fen so NDC for ede infusho ene tugu Ghana fo eni anase ndada eda ebeja konwa no yenti se nsem no esi.
And secondly, in Cranshaw de Mayen, because now they recognized senior elections in Sikoni Yepa. Ebena near to Nidia, now you probably don't even recognize it. But the neighbors who mean CHino, they've recognized elections in a year and seeing say, and the money be one was in Kia. I'm saying about the electorate of Motuabana, one entimianye. I won't prem a be antia sebia when you 88 no. Now we had do no NDC for Timoponi adwene ho ntimo de bebu man na what me hunu say one hour ba be hie mu ne nkomo aye die no edi kan no ho kakra ho ehunu yanka me na say esuma nko hene dia but in that no on crunch any the realization of it is so important when it tells you say going forward near na muntu enu omuntu no sa kwanya ne babie mu a what happened in the last elections will not happen. Na nyame ya adom no nso dibuaye no won tie ti no de eba ne ye adwuma no won ti ase afi omo enya no odwumadi his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo di ye no se na ye daachi ani mprempren mu emwa ani asetena pa na no hwehwede am my Ghana ne mu nipa. I believe say the feedback that I am getting, and I believe sincerely say that is what most of my people are also getting. Because you caught na HM meeting come and encourage me anymore. Because kaoko not the encouragement in ho, not the feedback no, not the response in then cranche no na futuma ordinarily. It will not even give you that energy and say talk also na ye. But how they respond, how they bring forth more argument, how they bring forth their suggestions, it is so marvelous. And we keep doing it. We keep doing it. And we also thank them. Because in all of it, offer no mama and no kadiana be won't mean your way. Obano and carrier and won't mean your him. But the engagement is so interactive. Very, very interactive. And that is one of the most important things I have seen going forward.
On some pressing issues you need to attend to and many within the constituency.
Oh yeah, sure. I think Sabakum who said there were some street lights at a woman that was Diase. In Primprim, I do, during the conversation and discussions, there were few areas that for my own say, why you smukaka. In Primprim, and I'm also making sure that we'll find bulbs for them. There are some areas the challenges, and yet the Mudubeka said, a year so extended, the immediate. Between a resolve, and some of them we even resolve them more. And I say we had to even work with somebody to just go and resolve an issue because they are so communal. When it comes to those ones are so communal. The other ones now because it be a long term money. For instance, if you go to Diasia, there is a clinic where it was started somewhere around September 2020. The promise was to give them 6 months near the 10 key project. I mean, seriously speaking, how nobody can build a clinic or a health center in 6 months. It's a 10 key, but that was the understanding. Maybe by January 2021, no foundation. And then once I speak with you, I hear boss. So they are saying, at least people expect to say, baby, and a one only baby a day could draw no. Send city and no. But also, I know her pictures now had tied nation. And I could be MC color blue yam fit. And we know him so who is
one of me.
Oh, Nipa Pamo, a Prempa Assembly. If you know, OPK.
Tremendous, but we are coaching way.
Oh, a Prempa Assembly. I say, I am fear. This
rap on the baby in our corner.
Oh, was a Iowa. So, you see, those are some of them. Oko baby. The last community engagements, one of them, Oko School Bimu, Yakudrina, Omuni Babia, Omuyi, as I speak with you now, Yayewi, Eudiasidi Amaomo. Now, say just about a month ago in Subrin Timbi Toy, just within 2 hours.
Yeah.
My name, a per school down at Twasobe, Edumi, and so. Just about a month ago, broke 12 schools. Yeah, 12 units. 12 unit classroom block. A person. I don't know computer lab, their mom, a peja roof in Adeko. As I speak within a boss, so that's it. These engagements, bring to the fore, sir, and you may be money at it. So, a boy, for instance, and I'll say a boy, it gives you an opportunity to be there. And my own in money idea. When you solve it, it resolves the issues in the constituency and the communities near Koyenim. When new challenges come, and the interesting thing is that after most of these engagements, you get so many calls because number a public number. I give it out there. Tinipani almost any direct interaction, so and follow us from you directly. Any affair no be catch us me free chairman and next to catch no. Say be ono so enipa. Me free Tony catch and say be enipa. Me free chairman pon catch and say be ono so enipa. Ebi ana adwendwene bi mprempren kwa na no akwa akofi. We got so the boapayo and money and them. So I also offer that opportunity say you an access directly to you because every MP a superhuman being, you are still the same as they are, so they should have that opportunity. Also, interacting, it gives me positive feedback, and I think that I would encourage it so we do it more across board. And the good thing is say as a person, I don't go alone. I go with the entirety of my team, the constituency executives, OBR. Area we engage the electoral area assembly members new unit committee for because so many more with the local organization of it because you see when someone can may pray urge ban decentralization what baby we okay me and suddenly the electoral areas so the involvement with the assembly members is very key and their unit committee members and now came from you say our constituency now is so harmonized that bond of unity any focus in one direction say yeah they board their prim to their my so I think